In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track overtime costs in QuickBooks Time using a laptop browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up overtime rules, how those hours are flagged, and where to find the reports that separate regular time from overtime so you can calculate costs confidently. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Time account on your laptop. Once you're in, look to the left navigation and open My Team. This is where you'll confirm that each person is set up correctly. Make sure every employee has the right pay type, whether hourly or salaried, and that an appropriate overtime rule is assigned to them. This setup ensures that when overtime is calculated later, it's based on the right criteria for your workforce. If your team includes a mix of roles or locations, it's a good moment to align your settings with your company policy and local labor requirements. Next, return to the left navigation and go to Company Settings. Under that, click Time Options. Scroll down to the Overtime section. Here, enable Overtime Tracking. This switch activates the logic that distinguishes regular hours from overtime. Now, set your company's overtime rules. Most companies use a daily threshold, like overtime for any hours worked over 8 in a day, and a weekly threshold, such as overtime for hours worked over 40 in a week. Choose the thresholds that reflect your policy. If your organization only uses weekly overtime, just set the weekly threshold and leave daily rules aligned to your needs. Take a moment to review that everything matches your policy before continuing. From this point on, employees can record their time as they normally do, either by using the time clock to punch in and out, or by entering their hours with time entries. They don't need to do anything special for overtime. The system handles it automatically. As hours accumulate, QuickBooks Time will automatically flag any hours that qualify as overtime based on the rules you set. You'll see those designations reflected in timesheets and totals, making it clear what's regular and what's overtime. When you're ready to review results, head to Reports, then Tracking, and open Hours by Employee, or choose Payroll Reports. These views separate regular hours from overtime hours, and you can filter by date range or team members to match your pay period. Use this data to calculate overtime costs for payroll processing or to bill clients accurately on projects that include overtime. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.